So this video is going to cover 3 concepts before we dig into actual research and content and design, and we'll move fairly quickly so we can get to reaching out and setting up a meeting with a potential client. We'll start with trust and authority, how it applies to clients, search engines. Then we'll end by doing a quick overview of inbound and outbound marketing as they relate to getting clients. Let's begin with trust and authority. Everything starts here, and this is going to be one of those core references for the entire course. It applies to almost every aspect of the freelancer's journey, and it goes like this. We're aiming to create a portfolio that features work we want to do. It doesn't need to be 5 examples or 3 dozen. We'll start with 1, and that's what we'll do in this course. And the goal of this portfolio is to communicate 2 things: trust and authority. 2 words so important, just moments ago we listed them on the screen. People want to trust that you do great work, that you're reliable, that others depend on you. And they want to know that you're an authority on whatever your focus is. They want to know you're really good at whatever you do. Now, we'll talk about this as we reach out, develop our content strategy, and design and build the site for our client. But let's look at this in the context of search engines. When someone does a search on Google, both trust and authority are key indicators that help Google determine the quality and the reputability of content on the web. That's a big part of how search results are ranked, what results show up when people search. Now, trust, authority, quality, reputability, that's a lot of nouns. But there's a common theme here. Both humans and search engines value good work, good content. That's going to be our goal. We're going to create great content, which will end up adding to our portfolio. That's trust and authority. Let's talk inbound marketing. Inbound marketing, or passive marketing, is usually something you've made. You've put something out there, which leads to clients finding you. Outbound, you're reaching out to find clients. And the reason we're covering both of these is because there are a lot of ways to find clients, and a lot of ways clients can find you. A good example of inbound marketing, a freelancer's website. You don't necessarily need this right out of the gate when you're first starting, but after you've picked up some clients, some momentum, a freelancing website can add a lot of value over time. Even if it's just a landing page with your name or your business name on it with a small blurb about what you do. It's a source of traffic. People can find it, they can search for you and land on it. That's an example of inbound marketing. If your portfolio is on the web, or you post content on design networks like Dribbble, that's another source of inbound traffic. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google+. What do all of these have in common? They're places where you...
Actually, they already sunset Google+.
Really?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. All of these are places where you can add a bio or a blurb that talks a little about the work you do, or just as importantly, the work you want to do. Inbound marketing is the idea that people might stumble upon or search for you or your business online. And the goal here is to create content up front. So down the road, people can find you or learn more about you, but it's an incredibly powerful way to set yourself up in both areas we talked about before, trust and authority. And if inbound marketing is what happens when clients find you, then outbound marketing is what happens when you're reaching out to find clients. This is the route we're using in this course, and it starts small. When a lot of people start out, they reach out to friends and family and coworkers. If you have anyone in your network and you can get a chance to let them know what you're working on, or that you're looking to get more involved in a specific type of work, just planting that seed and letting them know can do great things. But that's only one option. You can go to a conference, you can visit a meetup group, chat with strangers in a line at a coffee shop, show them your portfolio. You can threaten, you can brainwash, you can create targeted ads on Google. You can do the same on YouTube or Facebook, or post in local papers, national magazines, or any one of the 3 billion services that offer paid advertising. That's a lot of options. 2 of them are questionable and probably illegal, depending on your jurisdiction. But this course is going to focus on outbound marketing. We're going to do research and actively reach out to a potential client. And we'll do examples for businesses from different industries to make sure we're covering our bases. That's outbound marketing. And that's exactly what route we're taking as we begin the next part of this course.